Hello, Coach Bell here. Day 9. Day 9 na. Ebook title generator. Grabe, andito ka pa rin. Consistent Proud ako sa'yo. So kahapon sa day 8, gumawa na tayo ng working outline for your ebook gamit ang Bell method. Breakthrough, experience, and lesson, di ba? Kung napapansin mo or kung napansin mo, hindi naman pala kailangang maging expert para makapagsulat. Ang kailangan lang, totoong kwento at helpful na tips. Correct? So today, let's give your ebook a name. Yes, papangalanan na natin ang baby mo. And for today's goal, makaisip ng catchy but clear ebook title na uy, gusto ko to. Ako to. Download ko nga to. Di ba? Pero wait lang. Disclaimer alert. You don't need a fancy title. You need a clear one. Sabi nga natin, clarity beats cleverness. Alam mo ba, nung unang ebook ng batchmate ko, ang title niya ay The Courage Code. Parang may drama na telenovela, no? Pero alam mo, anong nangyari? Walang nag-download. As in, 0. At first akala niya dahil di siya kilala or maybe pangit yung design. Pero na-realize niya, hello, di pala maintindihan yung tungkol saan yung ebook. Okay? So pinalitan niya ng How I Landed 3 Clients in 30 Days as a Total Beginner. Ayun, may nag-download, may nag-share, at may nagtanong pa, paano mo na ginawa to? And that's when it hit me. Hindi natin kailangan maging deep. Kailangan lang maintindihan agad. At ito na yung mga magic title formulas na tested or proven. Una, formula number 1. How I, and then insert the achieved result, even though, now insert the struggle. Example, how I save 50,000 a year as a working mom. How I build my freelance career without a portfolio. Kita mo? So, nandun yung result, nandun yung struggle sa title. Okay? Formula number 2. The, yung adjective, guide to, and then indicate mo yung solved pain point. Okay? Example, The Lazy Girl's Guide to Starting a Side Hustle. So, ano yung adjective mo rito? Yung lazy girl. Ano yung solve pain point mo rito? Starting a side hustle. Alright? And another example, The Beginner's Guide to Writing Your First Ebook. So, ano yung adjective mo rito? Yung beginners. Okay? And then, ano yung pain point mo rito? Write your first ebook. Okay? Alright. And then, for formula number 3, ito na dapat nag-start sa number, yung title mo, and then steps or tips, kung steps or tips yun, 2, and then write the desire, and then without, and then yung pain point. Kaya naalala mo, dun pa lang sa mga nauna nating prompts, in-specify na natin yung mga pain points ng target audience or readers natin. Okay? So, ito yung connect nun. Ito yung application nun. Alright? So, for example, 5 steps to sell your first digital product without a huge following. Diba? And then, 3 tips to start your business without quitting your job. Diba? Nag-start sa number. Tapos, kung may mga tips naka-specify, and then, naka-indicate din doon yung pinaka-pain point ng reader mo. Alright? So, madaling tandaan, madaling gawin, madaling i-download ng reader mo. And these are the prompts that you're going to use with ChatGPT. Copy-paste mo lang to. Promise, less stress. Alright? So, una, suggest 5 ebook titles about, then insert your topic using a story-based and helpful tone. Idugtong mo na to. Give me catchy ebook titles based on this outline. So, paste mo yung outline mo. O, halimbawa naman, meron ka ng mga naunang ebook title. Ito naman yung prompt mo. Rewrite this ebook title to make it more relatable for, and then insert your target audience. O, diba? Tatlong prompts kagad yan. Alright, so bell reminder, kapag gumagawa ka ng title, Isipin mo palagi si target reader. Tanungin mo sa sarili mo, anong gusto niyang result? Anong struggle ang gusto niyang iwasan? And always remember, hindi ito contest sa pa-creative, ha? Ganun. Ito ay tungkol sa connection. So, it's not about being creative. It's more of connectivity, sabi nga. So, kailangan maramdaman ng reader mo na, ay, ako to, kailangan ko to. Di ba? So, your task for today, mag-brainstorm ka ng 3 to 5 possible titles using the formulas that we have mentioned, okay? Use at least one chat GPT prompt or try mo na rin gamitin lahat. And then, pili ka na lang ng the best title na recommended. Also, sa pag-brainstorm, you can ask your KKK. You can ask 2 kaibigan, 2 kapamilya, or 2 kapwa batchmates kung alin ang pinaka-catchy, okay? And then post the result or the chosen title in your tracker. Ganun lang. So, that's it for day 9. Excited ako sa mga title na mabubuo mo. Kahit hindi pa final, basta klaro. You are already winning. Alright? So, next up, day 10 will give each section its own story plus tip. Magiging mas juicy, mas real, mas ikaw. So, keep it going, keep expressing, and always believe. Let's go!